what exactly happened in Bihar. Tejaswi's phone chat with a Babu, with the DM of Patna, has gone viral. Now, he questions who's running the state, who's in charge of law and order. We have him with us live. We are going to go across to him, but first let's listen in to that video that went viral.
एक जगह ये लोग चाहते हैं बैठ करके कम से कम जो इनका डेमोक्रेटिक राइट है वहाँ धरना दें, तो इसमें हम आपको व्हाट्सअप करा देते हैं इनका एप्लीकेशन, आप अलाउ कीजिए, हम लोग तो यहीं खड़े हैं इनको पार्क में।
अच्छा, हम देख लेते हैं, भेजेंगे, हम लिखवा लेते हैं।
नहीं, कब तक बताइएगा?
अरे भेजिए ना, कब तक बताइए, अभी हिसाब लीजिएगा हमसे।
हम भेज देते हैं।
नहीं तब तक जो है हिसाब ले रहे हैं, कब तक बताइएगा।
आप तेजस्वी यादव बोल रहे हैं, डीएम साहब?
अच्छा सर
हम लोग ना हम आपको व्हाट्सअप हम भिजवा देते हैं। नहीं ठीक, नहीं हम लोग हैं इको पार्क में ही, सब लोग जल्दी, नहीं तो ये लोग फिर इधर यहीं बैठना पड़ जाएगा हमको।
So this video has gone viral, and the man who was speaking, Tejaswi Yadav, is now with us. Tejaswi, your clip with the protesters talking to the district magistrate has now gone viral. I want to ask you, you also noticed that sudden change of tone in the district magistrate's voice when you said who you are. But see, the point is, you are a prominent politician, so he will listen to you. What does this say about people? What does it say about the common men and women who would want to approach these government functionaries?
See, Saket, if you'll see the whole clip, you'll get an idea. Actually, he didn't knew whom he is speaking to, but you can imagine how the bureaucrats, they talk to normal people. And this is very shameful. And why I was there, it will be very clear if you'll see the visuals and if you can hear our conversation. जो teachers थे, after the court order, they had to release a नियुक्ति पत्र उनको देना था, लेकिन उन्होंने एकदम नियुक्ति पत्र जो है कोर्ट के आदेश के बाद भी उन्होंने नहीं दिया। तो जो we have a democratic right कि we can sit down where the government has selected a place. Like in Delhi, if you'll see, there is a place for dharna which is called Jantar Mantar. They have selected it. In Patna, there is a Gardani Bagh where we can all sit and we can do dharnas and pradarshan, where we can, raise our voice. But in a democratic way, when all the teachers were protesting against the government and they were wanted to just follow the court order, but the police were not even allowing them to stay over there. And they had demolished all the tents, all the food items which they had gathered from Chanda, the money and all. And all the people, they bought a ticket and they were staying at the Eco Park just near the Sachivalaya. I went there and I called all the officers, whether it's a DM, whether it's DGP, whether it's Chief Secretary, whether it's Education Department people. But if you see the way they talk to normal people, when he got to know whom he is speaking to, when I gave my introduction, because people were waiting since very long and they didn't have any place to go. And they just wanted a place where they can do their protest. And which, if we talk about law and order, if you'll see the NCRB data, Bihar, crime-wise, whether it is rape, whether it is murder, it's been increasing like anything. Bihar, according to the NCRB data, number 2nd, number 3rd in rape, kidnapping and murder. But police is only patrolling my house. Today also, I'll be releasing one more video, and one video you have seen it, where the Bihar police and Bihar police, they were fighting each other. Why they were fighting? Because Nitish ji doesn't want me to meet any of them. Normal people, which they have expectation from a leader opposition, where they come, they tell about their problems, I listen to them, and I call the bureaucrats and all to resolve it. Nitish Kumar, he doesn't do that. But what he has been doing, whoever is coming and meeting me and going, they've been police been caughting them and they're beating them and they've been just डराना धमकाना कि क्यों आ रहे हो नहीं मिलो
no
ये
no
नहीं करो
the reason
इस
why I
तरह
ask
का
you
काम
the reason why I ask you Tejasvi this question on what does it say about the situation in the state is that just a few days ago NDTV's Manish Kumar asked some very pointed questions of the Chief Minister on the very infamous and sad incident of a killing of a top executive in Patna, 2 kilometers away from the Chief Minister's house. And he lashed out and he started screaming and all those things were happening. What do you think is the reason why the Chief Minister suddenly has started losing his cool? That he's always on a short fuse.
Even in the Vidhan Sabha, I saw that video when Manish asked simple question. Ki why can't you control the crime rate in Bihar? What your police department is doing it? And it's been so long. It was Rupesh Singh got killed, murdered brutally, shot just 2 kilometers away from the CM house. And still there is no arresting. Nothing had happened in that case. And not only that, like I have given you the NCRB data also. And when Nitish Kumar ji is losing his cool, it's not the first time. Even in the Vidhan Sabha, when I was asking just after the election, he lost his cool, which we haven't seen like Nitish ji has behaved like that because he doesn't have any answer. He doesn't have any answer and he does not want to give his answer. Because if you'll see, it was a very simple question. And even same thing we have been asking him. He's been Chief Minister for 16 years and he's been in charge for the Home Ministry and it's your responsibility. You have to come out and you have to speak.
No, but
you
then,
have to answer all the questions.
While I agree, so we posed these questions, Tejasvi, of the JDU spokespeople also, and they said that there is a difference. They keep harping and going back to 2005. But they say that there is a key difference that the people have to understand, and I know this may be a slightly uncomfortable question, but it has to be asked nonetheless. Their logic was that back in the day, there was state-sponsored crime. What is happening right now is crime and is bad, but it is not state-sponsored. How would you respond to this?
See, I don't have to answer anything. We have seen in what happened in Srijan Ghotala, we have seen what happened in Balika Gree Muzaffarpur Kand. Why not state government was allowing to give CBI inquiry? We all protested and who all were involved in those cases? Their ministers, their MLAs. So we all know what is happening and what they have been blaming. This is very stupid. And I can surely say that कल ही एक IAS अधिकारी ने एक चिट्ठी लिखा जिसमें ये था कि शराब बंदी में शराब का कारोबार वगैरह जो है जेडीयू के लोग करा रहे हैं उसका तबादला हो जाता है, उसका ट्रांसफर हो जाता है. तो आप तो कहीं ना कहीं से जो संरक्षण देने की बात आ रही है, यू प्रोटेक्टिंग द क्रिमिनल्स, यू प्रोटेक्टिंग ऑल दोस क्रिमिनल्स. So I don't have to answer anything. And it has been, crime is a very serious issue. Law and order situation getting worse and worse in Bihar. And Nitish Kumar seems helpless. And he's been, he just want to divert the issue and he doesn't want to answer any of the questions.
But मैं सीधा सवाल आपसे पूछता हूँ. तेजस्वी जी, आप बताइए, क्या आपका ये आरोप है कि नीतीश कुमार का अब इकबाल खत्म हो रहा है बिहार में? दैट मीन्स ही इज लूजिंग हिज कंट्रोल और ग्रिप ओवर द स्टेट.
बहुत पहले ही खत्म हो गया था. इट गॉट ओवर अ लॉन्ग टाइम बैक. कोई इकबाल कुछ भी नहीं रह गया. समीक्षा बैठक करते हैं पुलिसों के साथ और क्राइम और बढ़ता जाता रहता है. तो कहीं कोई नीतीश कुमार जी, you must have seen that video. I have seen Manish video where he asked him to call. He asked Nitish Kumar to call to DGP, and after that he was showing that he has given all in public domain all the bureaucrats' number and DGP's number. But what happened? The same thing is happening. No one is answering. The situation is getting very worse.
All right. Tejasvi Yadav, many thanks for joining us. Maybe later in the broadcast, we'll get a representative from the JDU also, hopefully the Chief Minister, if he would want to join us. We invite him to clarify on these positions. The opposition has mounted an extremely strong attack in what appears to be a situation where the Chief Minister is rattled. Rattled at what? Questions being asked of his model of governance. That's all the time we have in this episode of Trending Tonight.